Getting ready to pot up some Japanese maples, just basically slip potting at this time of year. I've been experimenting with different soils over the years, and this is kind of what I've hit upon that works real well for me. I'm in the bonsai, so I prefer a soil that drains real quickly, and so do Japanese maples. So what I've been doing, I use that particular bucket. I go with 8 buckets of a peat soil enhancer, a bucket of peat moss, and a bucket of perlite. So I'm going 8, 10, and 10, come up to 100%. That seems to be working real well on my Japanese maples. Once blended together, you can kind of see what we got here. Fixing to pot up this probably 5 foot tall purple ghost into this pot. As you can see, I've drilled it out pretty good in the bottom, promote a lot of drainage. This particular, see if I can get it out. Got a nice root structure, nice tree. It's actually growing out of the pot just a little bit. So it should be real nice potted up. And there it is, all potted up. And maybe a little big for it. I caught these pots on sale at Walmart, $8 a piece, so I couldn't hardly turn it down. I think it'll be okay. Like I said, I've got really good drainage soil. I know how to keep up with watering trees, so I think it's going to be just fine in this pot. The soil works great. Got a little cascading Japanese maple here. Just planted up. You can see the soil there. Works really well. One last thing. I do not recommend putting rocks in the bottom of your planters. People can fight me over that. Do your research on it. I put them under my planter, promote drainage. That way, if your plant's sitting on the ground, sometimes if you got red clay, it can kind of stop it from draining as well. So I like to put rocks under my planters, not in my planters. Like I said, do your research on that. Under is the way to go.